have those perfect Instagram eyebrows that you see on Instagram, then this is your best bet. Using a very sharp brush, okay, and then using this Eyebrow pomade. And with eyebrows, everybody has his or her own preference when it comes to eyebrows and how they're done. So I'm gonna be teaching you how I do mine and how I like mine done. First thing I do, I take a spoolie pencil like this one. This one is from Color Cosmetics. What I basically do is just brush my eyebrows upwards. I already have my eyebrows threaded out, so, or tweezed out, to create that effect, so I don't have any hair in this section. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw a line under the eyebrow, just to draw a line below. So just take your time and do it slowly, just drawing a line just to give us an outline of the eyebrows. Just follow the shape of the eyebrow. Okay. There. So first of all, you draw that one line. Okay. Now we're going to draw a line on top. Go back in my deep brow pomade. And now for this top line, do not begin here at the front. You're going to begin slightly afterwards, like here. You want to have that arc. So for me, I feel drawing this outline really helps. Then you just fill it in. Then go in with your spoolie pencil, although for me I prefer using this one, this brush here for the eyebrows. So I just go in with it, and so just go in with it and I flick them upwards. So when you are doing eyebrows, you always want to do the upward motion. You want to raise everything up. So already you can see we have a nice looking eyebrow. So, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit more here at the front to make it a little bit more defined. Very lightly, because if you do it, if you put a lot of product, it's gonna be looking a little bit harsh at the beginning and it doesn't look cute that way. Basically guys, there we have our eyebrow. Very easy to do. That's it guys, it's just that simple. So now the next step is just putting concealer. There it is. So now we do the concealing. Just the same way you put a line under just the same way you put a line underneath is the same way you're gonna do it now. Just put another line of concealer. Be very careful to not go above that line. Just following the natural outline of your eyebrows. So my camera battery decided to die in the middle of this tutorial, but I'm gonna be showing you better with this other eye. So I just blended in the concealer using the brush. Then I take a little bit of it using my finger, and I just blend in the remaining section. I love this concealer because it's full coverage. And I feel like using a finger blends it much better. There guys, we have one eyebrow done. And just for the sake of tutorial, and because my battery decided to act a fool and to die, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this other side as well. now have both of my eyebrows laid. They're looking nice, looking great. Now the very final step that I normally do when I don't want to put any eyeshadow, I get a bit of foundation, which I've already done on this eye. Get a bit of foundation and I put it on the eyelid. I just blend it in. Then I will normally go in with my Laura Mercier powder, bit of the powder, and you set that concealer. I feel that gives your eyes a bit more of a smooth finish. Okay, so the very final last step, guys, is I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. That's how it looks like. If you want your eyebrows to last the whole day, and you just flick your eyebrows upwards, it also gives you that Instagram effect kind of an eyebrow look, where each and every strand of hair is separated. So I don't know if you can see the difference between this one and this one. This one is way more dense than this one. So think about using the brow gel. It separates your brow hairs and sets the brows, and it also makes your brows look a little bit more natural. But if you can skip this process if you want to, if you just prefer leaving it as they are. So the same thing here. Now if I zoom you up even more closer, you can see how the eyebrows look like. There's this one, and that's one eye, and that's the next eye. So that's how the eyebrows look like when I zoom out. They're looking nice and pretty and laid. And this is a final look with lashes, guys. That's how it looks like. The lashes make a big difference. I have used the Lily Lashes Mykonos. I'm butchering it, Mykonos, but they're very nice lashes, very nice make lashes, and they give the whole eyebrow a nice uplifted kind of a look. And that's it, guys. That's just simply how I just do my eyebrows. And until next time, see ya.